Alright, we're at the Burlington Railroad Club in Cinnaminson, New Jersey. Let's go take a look at it.
Give me money.
Money!
Money.
Railroad's got to make...
That's why the ticket lady's here.
Oh, yeah. Alrighty. This is an HO scale layout. I think about 30 by 60. Mainly transition era. No specific railroad. They can run in pretty much anything: steam, diesel, modern, whatever you want. This is the original section. How you doing? Go ahead. I used to be a member of this club here. There's a nice steep grade coming up. While I was a member, I did redo this area here. There used to be a tunnel coming out and go into like a little gas station or something like that. I completely redid this section, all the new rock work and everything. The substation. Ran a lot of the power lines and everything.
There he goes.
Still a long way to go.
Okay, yeah, I go between there and St. Martin, Canada. I bounce back and forth.
I remember that kit at Massachusetts, Springfield.
The kit?
Yeah,
Yeah, that's
He's a little
custom
workroom there.
model works or something like
Just
that.
slide the door open. He's tight. He's tight.
Yeah, that's all laser cut plexiglass or something like that. It's pretty neat.
It looks good.
We're having fun.
Good.
Well, now see all the Irish kids except the guy that's over in Germany. Haven't seen him
Exactly.
lately.
I don't think he's gonna come back for this stuff.
No, darn. He's got things that are unfinished here. I'm not happy with him. Yeah,
We'll get him back.
I saw Tim a couple weeks ago.
Yeah.
Right after the wedding, he stopped down here.
Yeah. It's good.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's not around too much.
No, I keep telling him, yeah, you're only down, you know,
That's fine.
an hour away. Come on, what's the problem?
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
Suck it up. Dedication.
Mario,
Yes, sir.
I am stuck right below you.
You stuck below me?
Yep. No, like,
Yes. You want the hand of God to help
Gee,
you
where'd
out?
you go?
Oh, you're going into the yard. Why are you going into the yard?
No.
All right, let's figure out where you are. Use the power and back up. And the other train just
Look,
on top.
take the kids.
This slip, we have a problem. Use the power and back up.
I mean, there's a train down there, and depending how fast it flashes, how close you are.
Hey, Dad.
So it flashes even faster, you're getting too close.
That IPA you liked last night? The Victory Arrowhead. There's an Arrowhead Brewery.
What's he doing? Sorry.
That's another one of their kits. It's the same company that made the station.
Which one?
Yeah, this power station here. Yeah, that's pretty cool. That's a new one that they came out, I think, last year or something. That's neat.
Here comes the trains. There's trains up here. So I told you, you'd like to see some
Over there, look at all the amusements and you guys
Six people will really do both of those. A lot of it has to be redone. Switching it in the old. We can run this if you wish.
Yeah, you should. Yeah, you definitely
I'll tell you what, while he's parked, Charles did the bathroom real quick. Okay. Yeah. As soon as he's parked, I'll bring in the bottle out. Okay, and it's going to come out all day. Yeah, so it'll just be cool to see. Okay, that'll be fine. Yeah, well, you could, when he yours, you could get yours out. I don't want it out. Excuse me? Remember that 180?